at peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today and this week also, we are going to be trying out a weighted hula hoop. So these have been all over TikTok like crazy, and I was seeing them for the longest time, and I was like, I'm not gonna get one, I'm not gonna fall for it, whatever, even though I know that they work, but I was like, yeah, you know, I'm not gonna fall for it. But you know, I saw enough videos on my For You page that I was like, you got me, I have to get it. But then I went onto Amazon and I actually found one for pretty cheap. I'll have it linked down below. Hopefully the price doesn't go up, but I'll have it linked down below if you want to go grab it. It's just this Better Sense hula hoop. It's like the pink and gray one that like everybody has. And I guess it also comes with like a band and a jump rope. I don't know. So I'm going to be putting that together, and today is Sunday, so I'm going to be trying it out for a whole week from today until next either Saturday or Sunday, I guess. I think I'm just going to do 10 minutes each day, and I'm going to be measuring my waist each day to see my progress, if my waist gets any smaller. Remember when I was in high school, I actually had like a regular hula hoop, and I used to hula hoop every day, and it did make my waist smaller, like a regular one, so I'm sure a weighted one will help. I also got this because I've been in a kind of a funk that I can't really get out of, and because of that, I haven't been doing like any kind of exercise. I've literally been sitting on the couch for the majority of the day, and then when I'm not on the couch, I'm sleeping in my bed, so I'm just not up doing anything. I also wanted to get this hula hoop and film this video to hopefully motivate me to do stuff, to like get up. And I mean, I'm gonna do this 10 minutes a day, so that's at least 10 minutes of exercise that I'm getting every day. Some criticism that I've seen of the weighted hula hoops is that it leaves bruises, so I'm actually gonna be using this like sweatband that I have that like goes around your waist. Hopefully that will like protect me from bruises and also help me sweat. And another criticism that I've seen is that the results are only temporary. I think the results are temporary for any workout that you do if you don't continue doing it, so I'm just gonna leave that there. If you stop hula hooping, obviously the results are going to be temporary, but if you continue doing it, then you're going to keep seeing results. That's just how it works. Same thing with like if you do cardio every single day during the week and then you just stop and never do it again, those results are only going to be temporary as well, or like legs or push-ups or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to assemble this, and then we are going to get our 10 minutes of hula hooping on. I know some people had trouble with this because they're just not good at hula hooping, and not to brag, but I was a really good hula hooper when I was younger. Like I won hula hooping contests. Not even to be like, oh, I'm the best hula hooper, because I haven't done it for a while, so I don't know. We'll see. I know I can only go one direction though, and you're supposed to go 2 directions, so I think I'm going to do 5 minutes in one direction and 5 minutes in the other direction, or I'm going to try at least. But I might just end up going one direction. I'm not entirely sure. There's also a playlist on Spotify that I love to listen to. It's called Songs to Shake Your Ass To. Good music, good vibes. So I'm going to be listening to that to hopefully motivate me to do it. Yeah, and like continue doing it, and that will make it more bearable listening to like fun music. So I'm gonna get this assembled, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our 10 minutes for today. So I did get a free jump rope, a pink one. I also got a free what is it called, resistance band thing. That's pretty cool. Something that I like about the weighted hula hoop is that you can just do it whenever. Like I could literally just be dressed in like nothing or just whatever I'm like chilling in during the day. I don't have to like get dressed specifically for a workout, and I'm not like going anywhere, so I don't have to worry about like people looking at me. You can just do it from the comfort of your clothes and the comfort of your home, so I really like that. I think the one that I got is like 1.7 pounds or something like that. Not too heavy, but obviously more weighted than like a regular hula hoop. The one I got is also foam padded, so hopefully that helps like reduce any bruising and like pain as well. I did it. That was like the easiest thing to assemble ever. Okay, so I have my tape measure here. I'm just going to measure my waist in inches starting, and then I'll do it every day this week and show you, and yeah. Okay, so my waist right now, holding it in, is like 25.5. That's like sucking my stomach in. And then my waist normal is like 26.5. All right, let's get our sweatband on. We're gonna move it into the other room. I have no space. Okay, let's do a trial before we get started. Okay, I can do it that way. That's fine. That's the way I normally hula hoop. Can't do that way. No. Okay, that's gonna be a challenge. We'll figure it out. We'll work on it. Let's just get started with our 10 minutes. I'm just gonna put a timer for 5 minutes so that I know to go one way, and then I'm gonna do 5 minutes the other way. Let's get started. Oh. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Doing it the other way is gonna be pretty hard though. Oh, shut up. I can do it. Oh no. Oh no. So that's it for day one. I did 5 minutes on one side. I tried 5 minutes on the other side, but it was really hard. Hopefully I'll get that by the end of the week, but it's gonna take some work probably. I don't know why my body just doesn't do that. I'm exhausted. Yeah, but I will check in tomorrow when I'm doing day 2. Okay, it's the morning of day 2. We're gonna measure real quick, and then we are going to do our 10 minutes of hula hooping. Okay, so sucking in It's at 25, and then resting 27. So we're going to start with day 2. I am a little bit sore from yesterday, just a little bit. I think I might have like a little bruise where it came off of like the sweatband thing. Today I'm not even gonna wear the sweatband, honestly, because I don't know, I'll just do it over my sweatshirt. I think it'll be fine. It's so hard to hula hoop in the other direction. Okay, I can't take it. It hurts way too much without the sweatband. I'm putting the sweatband on. I did not think it's gonna be that painful. Let's continue. Oh my gosh, I was so much more sore than I thought I was from yesterday. Getting a little bit better at doing it on the other side that I was struggling with. Not too much better, but a little bit better. It's a fun way to start my morning off. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Day 3. Sucking in. Oh my gosh, that's like 24 and a half. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Okay, and then regular. That's like 26. Oh my gosh, I know I saw it working for other people. I don't know why I didn't think it was gonna work. At least not like this well and like this quickly. That's crazy. All right, let's hula hoop for day 3. I don't know how people aren't getting more bruised from the hula hoop. I don't know if they're like building up a tolerance in like 2 days or something, but I have a lot of internal bruising from this and it's really painful. And yes, I am wearing the same thing that I wore yesterday. Don't judge me. I've also decided that I'm spending way too much time trying to do it the other way when I can't do it, so I'm just gonna do it one way because I really don't think it makes a difference. I don't think. We're just gonna do it the one way that I'm actually like good at. I did it. That was so tiring, 10 minutes straight. I almost made it through the entire thing. I just got a little bit too carried away trying to bust down Tatiana, and I dropped it, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. The point is that I'm having fun. That's the most important part. Lately, any form of exercise has not been that fun for me. I need water. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay, we're about to do day 4. I just woke up and did some stretches. That's why I look a mess. But while I was doing my stretches, I could actually feel that my core was like so much like tighter and stronger. So I would like to think that it's the hula hoop doing that, because this is like the only thing that's really changed in my day-to-day life. That's good, at least getting some benefits. Oh, let's measure it, I forgot, sorry. Okay, so sucking in, we're a little past 24 and a half. It's like right here, or a little before 24 and a half. So like 24 and a quarter-ish. And then just like regular, relaxed. We're at like 25 and 3/4-ish. Let's go. There you go, you're gonna get hit. I almost forgot. All good. Okay, 10 minutes straight. I feel so much harder than all the other days. Also a lot more tired today than I was all the other days, but that's still a really fun way to start my morning off. All right, see you tomorrow for day 5. I really do not feel like waking up today, but let's measure ourselves. Sucking in, about the same as yesterday, like 24 and a quarter, and just relaxed. That's like 25 and a half. I can't even remember what it was at yesterday, honestly. Good to go. Let's start day 5. I'm exhausted. I don't know why it's so much work than I thought it would be to hula hoop. I don't know, whatever. See you tomorrow for day 6, I'm pretty sure. Day 6, let's measure. Sucking in, it's like basically at 24. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty much the same though. And then resting. Resting is at 25. All right, let's hula hoop for day 6. Oh no, my battery's dying. Hold on, we're good, we're back. Okay, I think I got a little better at doing it on the other side for like not doing it for a few days. It wasn't as hard, I was still dropping it a little bit, but that's okay. That was a successful day 6, I think. See you tomorrow for day 7, the last day. Okay, it's the last day. I'm about to hula hoop, but I have not done it yet. So let's measure beforehand to see where we ended up for the week. All right, sucking in, 24. We're at 24, and just relaxed. We're at 25. Okay, so now I wanted to share some thoughts after one whole week of hula hooping every single day for 10 minutes. Pretty sure the instructions it said 1 to 2 minutes every day, but I don't know. I'm an overachiever, I guess. No, I don't know. 10 minutes just felt right. So something that I did do was I started doing it just on one side for 10 minutes instead of like 5 and 5. And you're not supposed to do that because apparently it like develops your muscles unevenly or something like that. So then I did go back to 5 and 5. And I actually got so much better at hula hooping the other way that I wasn't good at. So I'm really proud of myself for that. Learned a new trick. As someone who doesn't like to work out really or like do much exercise, unfortunately, I wish I enjoyed it. This was actually a pretty enjoyable way to get my body moving a little bit to start my day off. I got to listen to some good music and I wasn't taking it too seriously. I was kind of just like messing around. I dropped it a few times because I was like dancing. You know, it was just a really fun way to start my morning hula hooping. That was my main goal, was kind of encouraging myself to do something active to start my morning. But I know a lot of people are interested in the hula hoop to actually lose like inches off of their waist, so that was why I was measuring my waist. I wasn't super concerned about it, although I would have liked to, like, I didn't mind that being like a consequence of doing it, because that's a pretty positive consequence for me, in my opinion. And I did actually end up losing a few inches, which is very exciting. But more importantly than that, I actually feel so much stronger in my core, and I think that that is the most important part. So there's two important parts: that I actually got up to exercise and that I just feel so much stronger. And even though I didn't lose like that many inches, I still look a lot more toned, I think, in my opinion, than when I started, which, you know, that's a positive. But I wasn't doing any other exercise other than walking my dog, which I do every day anyways, twice a day, and also my like stretches that I do in the morning. Other than that, I wasn't doing any exercise. But part of my stretches is actually a plank, and I could feel this week when I was doing my planks that it was getting progressively easier and easier to do my planks, because the hula hoop was like strengthening my abs so much. It was amazing to like feel it happening so fast. It's crazy. Of course, like any exercise, any results that I got from this are going to be temporary if I stop doing it. So I do think I'm going to keep doing it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 10 minutes every day or if I'm going to do 10 minutes every day. Like I might do 10 minutes every other day, or like 5 minutes every day. You know what I mean? But either way, I do plan to keep doing it because it's a really fun way of exercising, and I don't get much exercise aside from that, so I might as well have fun while I'm doing it, otherwise I don't want to do it. Once again, I'll have the hula hoop that I got linked down below if you want to go look at it. I know the prices went up because like everybody's been buying it, but it wasn't like crazy expensive. There were some that I saw that were like 70-80 bucks, and I was like, for a hula hoop? I also just want to say that I did this in high school with a regular hula hoop, and I got really like toned in my abs as well. So you don't need to go and get a weighted hula hoop to do this. It works just as well with a regular hula hoop, and it probably won't like bruise you or anything. Like this, I've built up a tolerance to it now, but it hurt. But yeah, you could probably go get like a $5 hula hoop from like Walmart or Target or something, and it will work pretty much the same. Don't feel like you need to go spend like $40 or $30 or $50 on a weighted hula hoop. So I guess that this is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them to the best of my abilities. If you liked this video and found it helpful, which I hope you did, that's the whole reason I'm making it, so hopefully I can help your decision. If you're thinking about getting a weighted hula hoop, I would suggest doing it. If you're someone like me who doesn't like working out and stuff, I would suggest getting it because it's just a really fun way to get your body moving. And even if it's not like working out, just moving your body at least like for a few minutes a day is like really important. So if you're on the fence, I do recommend getting any hula hoop, but a weighted one, I recommend it. I liked it. But yeah, so if you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. I don't do reviews for many things, but I do them for some things. So if you want to see more videos like this, like reviews for stuff, or just more videos from me in general, be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, in the middle of me filming this video, I actually got 500 friends on this channel, which is so crazy to me. I'll talk about it more in one of the videos following. I do have a few videos that are like pre-recorded, and I pre-recorded them before I got 500 friends. So obviously I'm not gonna mention anything. I hope people don't think I'm like rude for not mentioning it. I'm mentioning it now. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to like see. I'll talk about it more, but I'm just so happy. Yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you. I'm officially halfway to my goal of 1,000 friends before the end of 2021, and I hit it so much faster than I imagined I would. So I don't know, it's just so exciting. I'm so excited for like what's to come, and all that good stuff. I'm very excited. So thank you all so much for being here on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it more than you'll ever know. Thank you so much for watching this video as well. If you're not subscribed and you would like to be, you can click it down below. It's right there. You know where it is. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.